fire drill is a method of practicing how a building would be evacuated in the event of a fire or other emergencies. A fire drill is a simulation of evacuation that helps prepare participants for an emergency situation. Running drills lets people know what to expect and how to respond safely. Warning signals may include announcements, a fire alarm, and strobes. In response, everyone will evacuate the building according to the fire evacuation plan that has been previously communicated. Announcing a drill ahead of time can prevent panic and undue fear, so people can practice fire drill procedures with awareness and cooperation. Evacuation procedure: 1. Don't panic. 2. Stop work. 3. Proceed to the nearest emergency exit. 4. Don't run, walk fast. 5. Use the staircase, never use the elevator. 6. Walk along the left side of the staircase. Leave the right side for lifesavers and rescue team. 7. Don't talk while you walk. 8. Give first preference to the physically challenged, expectant mothers, and the elderly. 9. Proceed to the safe assembly point. 10. Do not re-enter the building until the signal is given. 11. Max. Time for evacuation 2.5 to 3 minutes.